how to clean your bunny rabbit habitat. So I try to save the rabbit poop or the rabbit droppings to give to my son's school garden. Rabbit mess is really clean and it's great for fertilizing the soil. So I am packing up a bag of rabbit pellets to give to the school. I'm starting a new bag, so this is how much I have so far. My goal is to fill that bag up. So now it's time to clean up the actual basin. So I use gloves because it's real pissy. The pee stinks and it's wet and I don't like how it feels. So I just use gloves to keep my hands clean. Then I take a little bit of vinegar water or just diluted vinegar with water. We want to keep it as natural as possible. And I clean the basin out with the vinegar water and some paper towels. I get it real, real clean. And then I take my puppy pad and lay it down on the basin. And then from there, I start stacking up my animal bedding. It's just, it's from Oxbow. I love Oxbow. They make really clean and pure products for the animals. But the bedding is just, it's a soft layer to keep on the bottom of your litter box or your basin. It gives the pets comfort as they sit and they chew and nibble on their hay and they go and make their mess. And so from the bedding, you stack your hay on top. You want to be generous in the amount of hay that you're giving your rabbits because they munch on hay all day. This is their primary source of nutrients and food, and they love hay. So once you're all done, you want to clean up your working space and any mess because we got to keep it clean. We like to keep it tidy around here. We don't want anything to look like or smell like a mess, so we keep it clean. I'm listening to Myron Golden. He's like one of my favorite YouTube personalities, or just, I don't want to call him a YouTube personality, but he's on YouTube. But he's just a cool guy to learn about life from, especially business and Bible principles. Like, he's the one. After you clean up your space, replenish your rabbit's food and water bowl. And give them a treat because they're cute and deserve treats every day. Not too much, just enough. And let them eat. all the greens they desire. Reecey doesn't really like to be filmed, but thanks for watching.